The goal of any audition should be to do the job in the room. It should not be to get the job. So anytime an actor goes on an audition, they really should not approach it as, I have to book this job. They should approach it as, I've just got to go in and do this work. I have to make it come alive in the room the best way that I can. Because there's any number of reasons outside the actor's own control as to why somebody might get the part. You know, you might come in and give a great audition, but still not get the role because the role gets cut, the producer has a friend they want to give the role to, you look too tall or too short standing next to someone who's already been cast, or you look too much like somebody else who's already been cast. Any number of things that are completely outside of your control. But if you come in and give a good audition, at least you show them the kind of work you can do, and that's how you can get called back into the office to audition for more stuff. And that's how people build career.